Welcome to the AirScape second generation controls overview. I'm going to show you the controls and some of the sensors that come with the package. First of all, you have a control board and a power supply. This typically is mounted on a fan, but I have a demo unit here to show you how they connect. Here is your control package box that comes from AirScape. You obviously have some instruction manuals which you want to save. Here you have an outside temperature sensor, gets mounted on the north side of the house, maybe under some eaves or wherever there's no sunlight to affect the temperature readings. Some different cables you're going to need. Here is the room temperature sensor and controller. So this is the wall-mounted hardwired switch that you have on your wall, and that's the actual temperature sensing element. We'll put that back. And some additional mounting hardware for the switch and some S-hooks and so forth. Before you start plugging the controls in, you'll have to route the attic temperature sensor outside the box, and for that we're going to need these parts to make sure that the wire doesn't get nicked on the sharp edges of the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. We're going to remove the little elastic there, route our cable outside the box, and put on this little protection piece. So you're going to need some pliers to make sure you bend the edges over. And then you got your little plastic piece that clamps around the wire. And snaps just like that into the box. Now let's go ahead and plug in some of the other sensors that come with the package, the outdoor and the room temperature sensors. If you look at the interface right now, you'll be able to see that both the outdoor and room are reading -99, which is the default. Same thing you see on your iPad interface. All the connections are done up here. You have RJ45 jacks, you have your network connection, your wall switch, which is also your room temperature, remote control receiver, outdoor, and of course the fan connection. Okay, first one would be the outdoor sensor. I'm going to use the supplied cables. Okay, there it is. Just make sure it clicks nicely. Same thing for the outdoor sensor. Outdoor sensor typically mounted on an outside north facing wall. So if we go ahead and look at our interface, I'm going to refresh that. There it is. We've got 75 for the outside and 75 for the attic temperature. Next one is the room temperature sensor, and again I'll use the supply cables. Nice click. Nice click over here, and you can see the LEDs light up as soon as you plug it in. So if we go back to our smartphone interface and refresh the page, there it is. We have a reading for the room temperature as well. So now all three temperatures are reading. And you can see the same thing once you refresh on your iPad interface. And that's our overview of the AirScape second generation controls. Thanks for watching.